Welcome back to beginning HTML5 tutorial number 16. We're just going to go back and do some quick forms structure practice again. So what did we do in the previous tutorial? We did the type of text, which is a standard text box input. Then we did a type of password, which is a input type. And then we did a text area, which is like a comment section and things like that. Then we did a radio button and a checkbox. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a sample page of something that you would do out in the field of, let's say, the site is going to be where you submit your name and your email, and then you say where you found this page from, right, theoretically, and then you say what interests you in this site. So it's like a survey. So we're going to do kind of like a online survey type setup. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into form action, and then this is going to be set as http www.thelegitpc.com / what am I going to call it? / survey.php, and then we're going to have okay, well, I didn't, this guy here is not, there we go. Alright, and then we're going to close that, and then we're going to space it out, and then we're going to say name, and that's the P, and then we're going to have the input type equals text, and then the name is going to be name, and then the size and max length, we don't really care. We're just gonna make it like size is 15, max length is equal to, let's say, 50. Someone's got a really long name or some crap, I don't know. Okay, and then we got the end of the P, and then we're gonna end the form. There we go. Alright, so then we're going to indent this guy so we could read a little easier. Well, I guess this guy will indent here. Okay, well, let me tab that. Then we're going to go ahead and do another form, action, actually, we're going to keep, sorry about that, we're going to keep going inside here. So we're going to have another P. We're going to have a break, though. We're going to have a break. So it's going to space it out. And then we're going to start again. We're going to do a P. And then we're going to do a name and an email. And then we're going to do the input type equals text, name equals, this is going to be email, size equals 15, max length equals 50, close it, close the P. Ooh, it did push it. Oh, we have a P here, so the P should automatically do break for us. There we go. Alright, so we got name, email, and we're still going to be inside the form here. Then we're going to start another P, and then we're going to have the where you located it from. So those are going to be radio buttons, and so let's go ahead and do that. So here we have the type is going to be input. Well, first we have to do where. So we're going to do P here. Where did you hear about us? And sorry about that, we don't want that. And then we're going to do a horizontal a break, I keep saying horizontal line break. So we're going to do a break so that the radio buttons are underneath this paragraph piece here. So we got the break, and then we got the input type is equal to radio. Name is equal to, we're going to call it referral. I don't know if that's actually how you spell it. I'm a terrible speller. Value is equal to, we're going to say YouTube. And then we're going to do checked is equal to checked. So it starts off checked. And then we're going to say it is YouTube. And that is good for that guy. Then we're going to have input type, same thing as we have above. Oops. Radio name is equal to referral. Value is equal to the LegitTechTutorials. Well, let's just say the legit PC. And then we're going to go ahead and close that. And then we're going to say the legit PC. And then we're going to do input type is equal to radio. Name is equal to referral. Value is equal to other. And then we're going to have close that, and it's going to say other. Now we go here and we close it out. There you go. So now you have, where did you hear about us from? I guess you could say from here. From. And then the final part that we have is we have the checkboxes. So we're going to do another P. And we're going to say, what content are you interested in? And we're going to have the break, line break. And we're going to have input type is equal to checkbox. Name is equal to interest. And then we're going to have value is equal to, so I'm going to do the series that I have on my YouTube channel. So on LegitTechTutorials, so we're going to have HTML5. Actually, I did forget one thing, the checked. Check. This is going to be HTML5. Input type is equal to checkbox. Name is equal to interest. Value is equal to Java. And then we're going to close that. Java. Input type equals checkbox. Name equal to interest. Value. Am I entering this down or is it automatically? Oh, okay. Sorry about that. C. And we're going to close this out. I'm going to say C. And then we're going to jump down here, close the P. There we go. So now we have the basics here. And of course, all you need to do to change it into a login is to do a password type. So all you have to do is do input type and then of course password there. And it's the exact same thing. It has the name, size, and max length. So I'm trying to remember. Oh yeah, so the only one here that I have in my reference book, the only one that is different from the input here is if you have a text area. Text area replaces the input here, and then it doesn't have a type because you already told it a text area. So that is the only thing. So here, if you want a password, you just put password here instead of the email, and it would be name, password, and that's how you could set it. And then of course you could separate the forms out. So also I believe I didn't tell it to whether it was a get or not. So here it would be a post method equals post. Oops, post. There we go. So method equals post. It's going to send all that to the survey. I guess if you had an login and password here, you would probably want to have two separate. You'd probably want to send. You'd probably want to get this. You know, you'd have it set up to where these are separated out than this. But here I have it all set as one survey, and this is probably how it would be. So this is all set up, good to go. And yeah, so if you want to use a text area, just switch input here with text area, and you're good to go. Alright, so this has been Steven from LegitTechTutorials. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I hope you thought that this video here was setting up a little survey was helpful to you to remember and maybe get a more solid grasp on forms. And yeah, so thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe for more videos like it in this series and other series. And if you have any questions, email me. You're looking for the reference book, it's in the description. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep on learning. Later.